Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
All right, so what is happening?
Well, Judge, we had a motion to revoke his probation and it was denied. But he was sentenced to 180 days in Bear County Jail,
Mhm,
day for day, and then also go to safety.
mhm.
He's been there 45 days and he's considering taking a plea offer. Uh, well, he could do either probation, they're offering probation. But if he does that, he has to wait for beds over in safety.
Mhm.
And he's a father of 5 children and a wife that is having a hard time.
Mhm.
And we want to see if the court can offer us some suggestion as to maybe step evaluation, because I think that this time in jail has been an eye-opening experience for him.
I don't think so. And let me just tell you the reason why. You're on probation for DWI
Mhm.
and you picked up a new DWI. So you're going into inpatient treatment. Now, the only other suggestion I can make, if he wants, he can refuse inpatient treatment. They'll file a motion to revoke, and then we can hear that.
Well, it's just, I mean, he doesn't mind getting the treatment. Uh, but I think the court can get a better handle if there's some type of evaluation on, uh,
No, he needs to be in inpatient treatment.
but he's been waiting, and even after he does the time, he's got to wait. Some people have waited 4 months.
I mean, we'll see where we are. But the problem is you're on probation for a third degree felony, and that's a DWI. And then you pick up another DWI.
Yes.
It seems to the court that you need inpatient treatment because there's nothing working.
And he wouldn't mind that, but the thing is the waiting.
Well, I mean, I understand what you're saying, but he's in jail now waiting because there was an agreement. He has 180 days as a condition of probation. So once that's satisfied, then he'll go to inpatient treatment.
But he has to wait and no telling how long. And so I don't know can we get us a reset so that he can consider the options?
Oh, sure. But I will tell you this, if we put a reset in there, if a bed becomes available, they're not going to take him because he has a reset.
They
So
won't.
if you want to, you can just, when you think time has lapsed, you can just come in and ask for it to be placed on the docket.
But
And
we have to wait the 180 days,
mhm.
even though he says that they're giving him 2 for 1, but
Mhm. All righty. Okay.
okay.
All right.
Well, then I'll come back and talk to them when 180 days.
Yes.
And then we'll decide what to do.
Yes.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
thank you.
Counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you. Who's next?
Christopher Ray Martinez, page 6, 3 down.
Yes.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Who was it again?
I have Christopher Ray Martinez, page 6, 3 down.
All right, Christopher Ray Martinez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Thank you.
All right. Have you had a chance to speak with the state about the The assault.
I
felony?
did briefly, Judge, they do not have any reports. It is too soon. And so they don't have any information that they can share with you just yet.
All right, state, when are you all going to have information on the alleged family violence case? And can you tell me, is that a misdemeanor case or a felony case?
Felony case, Your Honor, and I'm hoping sometime later, I'm gonna ask my investigator to do so, because it just happened like 5 days ago. There's nothing even uploaded in our system,
Okay,
but I'll see if we can at least pull a report.
all right, thank you. Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. All right, so we'll be back on December 4th.
And Judge, he was not present last week because he was in custody. Said that you would consider reinstating his bond. So we asked to reinstate his bond.
All right, let's go on the record. Could I have a prosecutor on this case? Oh, here's my, I just issued a judge's warrant, so I would just recall the judge's warrant. I didn't do anything with his bond.
Okay, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 011500 State versus Christopher Ray Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Mike Galley for state.
Orlando Castanon for defense.
And are you Christopher Martinez? All right, so he was scheduled to appear on court on October 23rd, 2025. He did not appear. Some parties thought that he may have been in custody, but we didn't have any documentation that he was actually in custody. So defense, as an officer of the court, were you able to determine if he was in custody or processing?
I did meet with him the next day, Judge. So yes, he was in custody. It was in process that day.
All right, state, any objection to the court recalling the judge's warrant?
Failure.
All right, the judge's warrant will be recalled. Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you'll give him a reset form. Okay. And we're off the record. So what he was in custody for was the new.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so here's one thing. Is there a no contact order on the complainant
I
in that
believe
case?
there is.
All right, so if there's not a no contact order under that cause number, I will put I will add a no contact order under this cause number with that complainant. So if y'all can check on that.
I believe it's 3
There,
days.
yeah, there's a no contact order on that new
Okay,
new charge.
all right. All righty, once you sign the reset form, they will take you back.
Thank you.
Make sure you're on time for court, 9 a.m. Yes. You're welcome. All right, who's next? Ariana.
Ray Cordova, page 3, going down.
Ray Cordova.
Wait a minute. The date for.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, good morning. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, so on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I have not received any discovery. The only thing that was uploaded to the discovery were the magistrate warnings. So I already conferred with the state.
It's uploaded for whatever reason, the systems having problem showing the chair, so I just told it to drop off the USB and I'll discover it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need 30-day reset for discovery. All right, once you sign the reset form, you are excused. Thank you. Who's next?
Right. Oh. Hey. Did you ever talk to yours?
Yeah, but I need it better as well.
I'm sorry, how was that? Edward Valdez, page 10, 3. Sorry. In order. Oh, I see what I see.
All right, Edward Valdez.
Yes, we conferred with the state.
All right. Court is calling DC 2023 CR 7270A State versus Edward Valdez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Amir Memori for Mr. Valdez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Valdez? All right, you're requesting a bond for your client, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And a warrant was issued on September 11th, 2025. The defendant did not appear for court, and that warrant was issued by Judge Angelini.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions for your client? Like, why wasn't he here? What type of bond can he make? You'll need to be placed under oath. You raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you may state your name for the record.
Edward Valdez,
All right, so what questions do you have?
Why were you not in court on that?
because I didn't know if I had court date or anything. They never approached me to my house or the phone that I gave. I was always working, so I couldn't. If not, I would have gone or called if I wouldn't have made it.
So you've been accepted into the PTD program, correct?
Mhm.
We've signed the agreement, correct?
Yes, sir.
At this point, how much bond can you afford to get out?
To be honest with you, I've been incarcerated since August, so I'm not sure how much.
Wait, you're saying you've been in custody since August? Well, the warrant wasn't issued till September 11th. Why were you in custody?
Because I had warrants. I have 2 warrants.
No, but what I'm saying, your warrant wasn't issued until September. So you shouldn't have been in custody in August because there was no warrant. What was the warrant for?
It was
It was a misdemeanor MTR. Get a case out of county court 7, Judge.
All right, so he had a case out of County Court 7, and what was that case for?
ABI, family violence, Judge, and the MTR, there's an MTR in that case.
All right, any other questions?
Not for me, Judge. If you have any questions, please.
All right, state any questions? All right, when's the last time you were employed?
the last time I was employed, it was in BJ's, before I got locked up.
All right. And what was your salary or pay per hour?
$15.
Have you ever had any previous mental health issues?
Oh, man.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues? Have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
No.
And this motion to revoke on the family violence case, the misdemeanor, when was that?
Judge, that was, I believe we resolved that on October the 9th, Judge.
And who is the complainant?
That was the MTR, Judge, just to let you know.
Does he have a no contact order with the complainant? Who is the complainant? What's the complainant's name? All right, do you reside by yourself?
Oh, was that me?
Oh, do you live in a home by yourself or there are other people who live with you?
But
I'm sorry?
with my wife,
And who's your wife?
Sylvia Martinez. I've been living with her since that incident. But since I got locked up, I don't know where I stand now,
Okay.
to be honest with you.
And are there any children in the household?
2,
What are their ages?
15 and 12.
All right. State, what are you requesting as a bond amount?
And we're requesting $1,000.
All right, the court is going to set your bond at $5,000. All right, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, your bond will be set at $5,000.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe, please, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, ma'am. Have a blessed day.
2025 CR 008155, State versus Pearl Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Rene Munoz on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez.
And are you Miss Pearl Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are.
How are you doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Oh, I can't complain. You know, any day you're alive, to me, there's a day to do good things.
Absolutely.
All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state moves to waive the enhancement.
No objection.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed to 123 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's to be a $700 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states exhibit 1 and all.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If we may, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Respectfully requesting that the court follow the negotiated plea bargain agreement, Judge.
So let me ask you, who is Tashawn Powell to you? That was the person you were having the disagreement with?
Yes, that's my girlfriend.
All right. So your priors are a lot of drug cases. Those are your priors. So how are you going to get help for this addiction you have?
I just recently went to the Right Step in Houston.
Mhm.
It's a drug rehab,
Mhm.
and they put me on Suboxone. So I'm currently on a program.
And are you going to continue with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know, if you don't, it's not going to end well for you, right?
Yes, and I'm on it, and the jail too, and there's take me out.
All right.
No.
And has that been helping you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Your Honor, it's my understanding she's gotten help for that issue. I know that this case related is the THC vape pen sort of marijuana. She was not aware that those are still illegal within the state of Texas, but now she does know. So regarding her methamphetamine, heroin past usage, she has gotten treatment for that. And I have advised her fully that even having the THC vape pens could land her getting rearrested or potentially subject to rearrest. And she does understand that now. So she has a better handle on it.
Okay. And do you have a place to stay? And is that place in Bexar County or is it somewhere else?
No, I'm currently working on that. I have to finish the reentry program.
Okay. And do you have any children?
No, not in my custody.
Okay. Any grandchildren?
No.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 123 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $700 fine, time and money to run concurrent, and the court will give you credit for any time served.
Your Honor, she has 123 days. With the permission of the court, can her judgment be satisfied?
All right. And when you say 123 days, is that 123 calendar days?
Calendar, day for day, yes, Your Honor, in relation to this case as per the Odyssey system.
All right. Then the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you are released from custody, if you don't know who to call for housing, if you don't know who to call to continue to receive your medication, you can come back here. If I'm still here, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody. Okay, for you.
Thank you, Honor.
All right. And why the tattoos? What's going on?
So music.
Oh, okay. So you're interested in music?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
And no more facial tattoos, though. You can put them somewhere else. Your face is too beautiful to be covered up. Okay.
I agree.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.